This is a quick review of combining like terms. Okay, so for this first one, we want to simplify, which really means combine like terms, get it to the smallest form, few as many terms as possible, or few terms as possible. All right, so we are looking for like terms. So for instance, anything with an x, that's a like term. My constants are like terms. Okay, so if I want to combine the x's, I have 3x and 4x. Those are going to go together. If I look at my constants, I have underlined in blue. I have a -8 and a +1. So 3x plus 4x, that's 7x. A -8 plus 1 is a -7. So this is all of those terms simplified. Okay, so here we have 4 terms that we're going to combine together. I notice I have some x's, I have a constant, and I have some y's. Now this one's kind of easy because I only have one x term, one constant term, but I do need to combine those y terms there. So I know this is going to be a 9y once I combine them. Now I brought this in specifically because when you simplify, your variables should go in alphabetical order, and then we put our constants at the end. So my x would need to come first, so I have -4x. My y's would come next alphabetically, so I have plus 9y, and then my constant is the last. My constant is one without a variable. So -5, this is now fully simplified.